हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। टुडे हम लोग आज बात करेंगे वेव एनर्जी के बारे में और डिफरेंस बिटवीन टाइड एंड वेव। तो बात करते हैं हाउ द वेव आर जनरेटेड। एक्चुअली waves are created by gravitational action of the sun and the moon, as also by the force of winds. Waves are generated in oceans and lakes. Waves कहाँ generate हो रहे हैं? In oceans and lakes. Waves are sometimes strong enough to overturn large ships. Waves energy fluxes in the open sea या against coast may vary from a few watts of kilowatts per meter. आगे बात करते हैं तो वेव मोशन जो है वो कंसिस्ट ऑफ बोथ वर्टिकल एंड हॉरिजेंटल मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर. Individual particles of water undergo almost a circular motion, moving up the crest approaches, forward at the crest, down at resets and the backwards in the trough. आगे बात करते हैं व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द वेव टाइड एंड वेव. टाइड एंड वेव में क्या डिफरेंस है इसके बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं. तो डिफरेंसेस की बात करते हैं तो अनलाइक द टाइड्स which exhibits a regular but long periodic motion, waves keep the ocean water in continual motion. ध्यान रखिएगा, unlike the tides which exhibits a regular but long periodic motion, waves keep the ocean water in continual motion, and the vertical rise and fall of the successive waves motion is a perpetual. Ocean waves can be harnessed to give energy vastly. बात करते हैं वेव मशीन. तो ओशन वेव्स एनर्जी कन्वर्जन हैज़ गेन्ड अटेंशन ड्यूरिंग द रीसेंट ईयर्स एंड द वेव मशीन्स कन्वर्ट्स ओशन एनर्जी इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. ध्यान रखिएगा, वेव मशीन जो है वो कन्वर्ट करती है ओशन एनर्जी को मैकेनिकल एनर्जी में, एंड द प्लांट कन्वर्ट्स एनर्जी टू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. अब हम लोग इसको इमेज की तरह समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो दिस इज द डायग्राम फॉर वेव एनर्जी. तो यहाँ पे आप देखते हैं, यहाँ पे हमने यूज़ किया है दिस इज द फ्लोर, फिर यहाँ पर नीचे अरेंजमेंट है स्पीयर का, फिर यहाँ पर आपका हैवी प्लेट, और यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं दिस इज द अंडर सी सब स्टेशन, और यहाँ पर ये केबल थ्रू अटैच है, और यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं केबल फ्रॉम other power poise, and this is the sea floor. So this is the basic diagram of wave. This is the another diagram of wave energy formed. अभी हम देख सकते हैं in the sea. This is the diagram of ocean wave energy. So then wave energy or wave power is the transports and capture of energy by the ocean surface waves, and the energy capture is then used for all different kinds of useful work, including electricity generations, water distillations, and pumping of water. Wave energy is also a type of renewable energy and is the largest estimate global resource from the ocean energy. See this diagram. This is the diagram. Next, in the basic history of the first patent in the wave energy happened in Paris in 1799, and Monsieur Guyard and his son proposed using the direct mechanical action to drive heavy machinery, including mills, saws, and pumps. After the first patent, 1,000 more followed. There were the 340 from 1855 to 1973 in the UK alone, and the early application was in 1910. Fortescue developed a device to light and power his house. This application was also in France. The pioneer for modern wave energy was Yoshiko Matsuda, a Japanese naval commander. Matsuda tested multiple different wave energy devices at sea, and several hundred of these units were used to power navigation lights. Matsuda is also credited for different wave energy inventions such as the Camel, a large house barrage used a testing platform and the oscillating water column, which was initially used for small scale navigation. And the further wave energy got a new interest in 1970 during the oil crisis in 1973. In 1973, member of the Organizations of Arab Petroleum Exporting Countries OPEC decided to put a prohibition on oil exports, which in turn caused the peoples to look for alternative energies. These are new pointers of include Stephen Saltus, famous for the inventing Schalter ducts or noting ducts, which converted wave power into electricity. See this diagram, internal view of devices similar to the shelter duct by V.R. Raman. This is the diagram. This is the wave device. Opposite incorporated an electricity generating system based on the pendulum connected to a generator as the starter as the shelter duct pops up and down waves. The pendulum swings forwards and the backward generating electricity. Technology. There are the multiple different technology used for wave energy. There are the five main types of technology, including absorbers, attenuators, oscillations, water columns, and overtopping and inverted pendulum devices. Absorber extract energy from the rise and the fall of the waves with a buoy, and once the energy is extracted, it is then converted to electrical energy with a linear and rotary generator. See in this diagram. And the attenuators capture energy by the being placed perpendicular to the length of the wave. This causes the attenuator to continuously flex where its segments are connected. The connections is then connected to hydraulic pumps which convert the energy. See this diagram. Oscillation water columns OWC is a partially submerged enclosed structure, and the upper part of the structure above the water is filled with air and incoming waves are funneled into the bottom part of the structure. When these waves comes to the structure, it causes the water column to rise and fall with the wave which causes in the air in the top structure to pressurize and depressurize. This is the term pushes and pulls air through the connected air turbine at the top of the structure, converting the energy. See this diagram. Waves, capture chamber, turbine. Air is compressed inside the chamber. Overtopping overtopping has a wave lift over a barrier which fills a reservoir with the water and then drain through the hydro turbine. This technology is very similar to the conventional hydropower dam. Invented pendulum devices use the motion of the waves to move a hinged paddle back and forth. The motion of the paddle drives hydraulic pumps which drives electrical generators. Current and the possible waveforms. Since the wave energy is still relatively new, there are fewer areas that currently have or installing waveform. Some main areas for waveforms are Portugal, the UK, United Kingdom, Australia, and the United States. And the Portugal has the five very first waveform, the Ajutoria waveform. It is about 3 miles off its north of poles and was designed to use 3 Pelham's wave energy converted. It has an installed capacity of 2.25 megawatt and was officially opened in September 2008 due to the financial collapse from an economic crisis. However, it was shut down. In UK, United Kingdom, it may be in May 2010, a waveform containing 66 machines was launched in the Scotland. It was announced in 2007 and the cost over 4 million pound equivalent to $5.9 million. On the north coast of Cornwall, England, the wave hub facility acts as a giant extension cable that allows 20 megawatt it be connected to it, but could go up to 40 megawatt. It could even end up powering up to the 7,500 households and save around 30,000 tons, 3 lakh tons of carbon dioxide in the next 25 years. Australia, US, these are the, and the wave energy has a lot of potential. Oceans cover 71% of the earth, so it is a very accessible. And the wave energy also has many different positive aspects. First, the energy is green. Harnessing wave energy doesn't emit any harmful gases, and it is can be easily replaces energies that do, such as using fossil fuels. Second, the energy is renewable. Ultimately, the energy is caused by the heat which is the emitted from the sun, and the energy will not be disappearing anytime soon. Third, there is an incredible potential in wave energy. For every meter of wave along the shore, the energy density is between 30 kilowatt and 40 kilowatt. The Electric Power Research Institute (EPRI) analyzed the potential, and the US alone there is a potential of about 2640 TWh/Y along the continental shelf edge. Fourth, wave energy is reliable, and solar always needs the sun, and wind energy is always need the wind to work. Since waves are essentially always in motion and are never interrupted, it is a reliable sources compared to others. Thanks for watching and sharing.